Okay, so open it up, the image that you're going to edit first of all, crop it if you need to. Then what I'm going to do is to select the figure by going to the quick selection tool and then go to select inverse to select everything but what we just selected, and then press delete to get rid of the background. Then you're going to use the bucket tool, change the colour at the bottom on the palette to the colour that you want the background to be, and then fill in those sections. Maybe have a play around with the colours just so that you know you're getting the right one. Obviously you can change this again later if you need to. Then obviously in this picture the lady's wearing black, so I've just selected the colour range of the black and then I'm just changing the hue so it's a little bit brighter so that it matches with the style of the artist. So I've changed the brightness and the contrast. Now I'm changing the colour balance, trying to get the colour that I like or that I think is appropriate. Then because I've edited this using the black section, the axe has now been lightened. So what I'm going to do is use the polygon lasso tool just to select each section of the axe and then edit that so it's darker and so it stands out a little bit more. If you don't have an axe or anything like that in your image, what you could do is get a picture of one from online and then just delete the background of it and just put it into the image wherever it needs to go. That's quite easily done. Then go to File, Export as JPEG to save that as a picture, and then also go to File, Save as PSD so that you can save the edited document in case you need to edit it again later.